see anything? Can you see something? Can you see something? Arvo. And take this one. I love sunflowers. Hello my queens and kings, hello Watuanga. As you can see by the background, I am back. Go Gauteng, go Gauta. We are here to get a piece of what? Of that gold honey. Anyways, guys, Watuanga, did you see my flowers? I love my flowers. Okay, we have our first unboxing to do, guys. This year is my golden year, which means that 30 on 30, meaning that Bidanuko birthday as 30 turning 30. So yeah, I have to spoil myself. It's a magical year for me. It's going to be a fun year for me. From my mouth to God's ears. Can I get it? Amen. Amen. So guys, I got my package the day that I came back, and I'm loving this for myself. Okay, that was that. This box has went through the most. You can see Aramex did open the box, and here's not your address. Anyways, so I got me some sneakers from Nike.com, some dunks for your girl. So if you're asking yourself where I buy like my Nike dunks or Nike sneakers, I buy them directly from Nike, and then I don't buy custom. I don't pay customs. I only pay for delivery. I'll just put everything here, okay? And let's unbox. Obviously, I know what's in here, but carry unbox. I'm in size 3. Let's get a thumbnail. Yes, let's unbox. Ta-da! Can you see anything? Can you see something? Can you see something? Arvo. Hello, my flies. Something from me to me. Yeah, Valentine. So they gave me some few stickers. This Donkey edition, yeah, Valentine here, and this one, and this one. So let's move to the girl. Guys, detail. Bona to you from love from Nike. Just do it. Just spoil yourself. Spoil yourself. In size 3, guys. Oh, the material. Ooh, my shader. I hope you guys can see this sneaker. I'm loving it. Okay, check here. This part. Guys, please let me know if you want to see my sneaker collection, okay? Ooh, child. I'm loving this for myself. But bonang. Come on, you one. Moment of silence for the girl that she thinks she is. Spoil yourself. Anyways, guys, these are my new sneakers, dunks, Valentine edition, and I'm loving them so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are on our way to 1K. Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me if you like the sneakers. So I'm going to prepare breakfast from tomorrow for tomorrow. I mean, actually they want to come back first, but anyways, let me relax. I'll be preparing breakfast for tomorrow. I don't know if I've ever shared the chia seeds pudding recipe with you guys, but I'll be doing it today for tomorrow. So yeah, let's do it. Hi Batwanga, I've realized that I did not introduce myself. That was very rude of me. Forgive me if you're new here, and if you're coming back Batwanga, allow me to introduce myself. I am a queen. I go by the name Maphalaphathwa, but then you can call me Konie. If you subscribe, you have the right to call me Konie. Let's do this chia seed pudding. Batwanga, my queens and kings, you won't get this energy that I have in every vlog, but enjoy it. Enjoy the energy. Soulmate. So the ingredients that I'll be using, obviously we need some chia seeds, vanilla essence vanilla, and some milk. You can use any container. Also you can recycle the mayonnaise bottle or beetroot, any container. There are no specific measurement for this. I use my eyes. Right, that will be enough. Oops. And kings, today I think is the third day of the vlog. I'm not sure, but I'm outside today and I hope the noise won't distract us. I'm about to spray paint this flower pot that I bought from Jet Home. I bought it Rand and then I liked it. So usually when I see something and I like it but I don't like the color, I buy it and spray paint it. So today I'll be using this spray paint in matte black. So let us do that together. And the dress that I'm wearing is from Shein. Let me just show you the dress and my
like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just...
So my queens and kings, I'm done with the first coat and I don't think I'll go in with the second coat because it's looking good. Guys, I was just saying that if you like something from the store and you just don't like the color, you can just buy a spray paint. It can be white, it can be gold, it can be matte. Even these days they do have matte spray paint, so you can just do that and just change the color. So DIY, I just plugged you. So thank you, thanks to me. So yeah.
I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life. I wish that I could tell it's time. Sing the way I'm one with the sunsets. I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life.
Hello, hi Batwanga. Hello, hi my queens and kings. So today we were hiking Kohenops and we did it your 5 kilometers in. So the entrance, it was 145 per person, 5 kilometers. I'm not sure about 10 kilometers, but we did it. If you've watched till this far, I know my lips are dry, but let's just don't. If you have watched till this far, please do leave an emoji of a tree or a mountain. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Road to 1K, 50 more subscribers to go. Anyways, till next time.